This is a boot trim from a 59 reg Citroen Grand-Picasso. The reason that I'm showing you this is I've had to fix all these little brackets with the bolts on them, the 6 of them. It's actually not a bad idea to number the little brackets as you take them off the car. So if you number the brackets, use a scribe or a felt tip pen or something, and also number the position on the boot trim so that they go back where they came off, because they're all slightly different. Well, they're all different. It's all the little brackets, all 6 of them that come away. I've super glued them back in with cable clips. I've put the cable clips in first, and then you can seat the glue in afterwards, because that's less messy, and they hold the brackets in place whilst the glue dries. Clean everything first though with kitchen roll and cellulose thinners. You need ventilation while you do this. It's a little bit icky, cellulose thinners. Don't use white spirit, as that's actually oily. After cleaning, use a file to clean the edges of the brackets and also clean the positions on the boot trim where the brackets will be glued back onto. Probably best to use the right colour cable clips as well. I obviously used blue on a red car, which wasn't the best. Go over the cable clips with some touch-up paint. The brackets have 3 points of contact, 1 at the back and 2 at the bottom. I didn't put any cable clips at the back as they would show on the car. Put the holes in the trim for the forward point of contact of the brackets slightly to the rear of the hole through the bracket itself, so that the cable tie pulls the bracket back into place in the corner. And it was so bad that I think, you would be hard pressed to get a second-hand one which wasn't itself broke. So I started doing this a couple of days ago, but wasn't in any great hurry with this lockdown, and we haven't really been using the car much.